Good morning, students. My name is Arvind Rathod, faculty member of Mechanical Department in Bharati Institute of Engineering and Technology, Sikar. Today I am here to teach you the very interesting subject, that is Principle of Management. Before going to the subject, we have to understand the definition of the management. Okay, so let's start the definition of the management. Management is defined as the activities of the coordinating the efforts of people to accomplish desired goals and objectives using available resources efficiently and effectively. Means मैनेजमेंट उन एक्टिविटीज़ का कोऑर्डिनेशन है जो कि किसी भी कंपनी द्वारा डिसाइड किए गए गोल्स को इजीली अचीव कर सके, और वो भी किस तरह से अचीव करें, मोर एफिशिएंटली और मोर इफेक्टिवली. ओके, समझ में आया. नाउ नेक्स्ट, द फंक्शन ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट. देयर आर 5 टाइप्स ऑफ द फंक्शन ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट, into which first one is planning, second one is organizing, third one is staffing, fourth one is directing. In the directing part, this is categorized into 4 categories. Directing, in the directing, supervision, motivation, leadership and communication are the subparts of it. And the fifth function of the management is controlling. Okay, now we are going to discuss in brief these all types of functions. So we would like to take the first function, that is planning. As the name shows, planning means thinking before action. Okay, so planning is the first function performed by every manager. Planning refers to deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, okay, and who is going to do. Clear? Planning bridges the gaps between where we stand today and where we want to reach. Clear? Every manager starts with the deciding in advance the objectives of an enterprise and how to accomplish these objectives. Got it? Planning is the base of all other functions of the management. Are you getting my point? In brief, we can say that planning is the activity we are going to start before action. Okay, now move to the next function of the management, that is organizing. According to you, what should be the definition of the organizing? This is written as your screen. Okay, so now we are trying to explain it. After setting up all the plans, next function of every manager is to organize the activities and establishing an organizational structure to execute the plan. Setting up organizational structure means deciding the framework of working, how many units and subunits or departments are needed, how many posts or designations are needed in each department, how to distribute the authority and responsibility among different people. Are you getting my point? Once these decisions are taken, an organizational structure gets set up. So this is all about organizing. Now move to the third function of the management, that is staffing. Staffing implies the selection and placement of most able and competent person on each position provided in the organizational structure. This is the definition of the staffing, and staffing is the third step or function of a manager, and it refers to recruiting, selecting, appointing the employees, assigning them duties, maintaining fair relations, and taking care of grievances of employees. Clear? It also includes training and developing the employees, deciding their remuneration, promotions, increment, etc. Evaluating the performance, maintaining personal records of employees. This is all about the staffing. Now move to the next function of the management, that is directing. Directing is also defined as the stage where the manager guides his subordinates towards best attainment of the common objectives. It's also defined as once the employees are appointed, there is no need to instruct them and get the work done. Okay, directing refers to giving instruction to employees by motivating them, supervising the activities of employees, communicating with them. Okay, you are getting my point. Managers act as a leader and guide them to right directions. So directing function includes supervising, motivating, communicating and leadership. Okay, clear? So this is the part of directing. Now the next and the last one is controlling. Controlling is defined as the action of the people working throughout the enterprise are according to plan or not. It may also be defined as is the last function of the manager. In this function, managers try to match the actual performance with the planned performance, and if there is no match between both, then manager try to find out the reason of the deviation and suggest corrective measures to come on path of the plan. Okay, controlling functions refers to all the performance measurements and follow up actions and keep the actual performance on the path of the plan. This is all about the function of the management. So I think this part of the management and management function is clear for all of the students. Okay, I hope all the best for the next video. Before this, you have to make the proper notes of this content. Okay, thank you so much.